In this video, we're going to explain how to delete your queue.dta file. You should, however, make sure that you've completed the steps prior to this section in the help article before you complete these steps. If you can open Sage and the Select Company window appears, you should make a note of the data path for the company that you can't actually access. Otherwise, if the company window doesn't appear, then you'll need to browse to the location outlined in the article. In our case, we're already in Windows Explorer, we're on the C drive, and we're going to browse to the Program Data folder. You then access the Sage folder, Accounts, and then in our case, as we're using Sage Accounts version 27, we go into the 2021 folder. In this folder, you should find a company file. You need to right-click the company file, choose Open With, select Notepad, and then click OK. Make a note of the path to your company data. So in our example, C Program Data, Sage, Accounts, 2021, company.000. Once you've noted this, close out of Notepad. It's then just a case of browsing to that location. So in our case, we just need to open the company.000 folder. You then need to open the ACData folder, and this is where you'll find the queue.dta file. You can either scroll down the list to select queue.dta, or if you just press Q on your keyboard, it should automatically select the right file for you. If queue.dta is highlighted, right-click it, and then choose Delete. And that's the process complete. You've deleted the queue.dta file. You must now follow the steps in the help article as it explains how to restart the Sage Accounts data service, and if you're using it, how to unlock remote data access and Sage Drive.